Hey everyone, so today I just wanted to go over some of the rejected photos that I got back from Adobe stock. And so the first one here, this one, they returned it to me because of excess artifact, noise, low lights, and bad camera settings. The second one is the same, and the third one is also the same. I noticed that a lot of these, they give sort of the same reason all the time. Um, this one was because it's not as appealing. It doesn't have that kind of look that anyone would want to even invest or purchase this image. Um, this one, it's underexposed, so they couldn't accept it. Um, this one is also the issue with the noise and the low lights. Same thing, and these are also the same. Um, this is also the same, and these are also the same. And so from Shutterstock, their reasons were a bit more specific, but from Adobe stock, their reasons are a bit more broad. And so I guess whoever is reviewing the images are sort of going with sort of a general broad reason. Um, this one is because it's not sharp and not in focus. Um, this one's also because of the noise. Noise. This one's not appealing, and this one is also because of the noise. That's very different from my Shutterstock profile. I also added new images lately, and so Shutterstock accepted this one even though it's not appealing according to Adobe stock. So Adobe stock rejected this one, but Shutterstock accepted it. So it's sort of different between those two platforms. That's it for this video. I hope that it helped in your stock photography. See you guys next time.